Hello students of class 5th B, welcome to your new online classes. This is your science class and today we will study about the parts of the human skeleton. The first one was skull, which we read in the previous lecture. So a second most important part of the human skeleton is the backbone or spine, or we can call it vertebral column. What is backbone? Backbone is present on the back side of our human body. So the first part is backbone is made of 33 small bones which are known as vertebrae. Vertebrae can be compared to beads or small beads which are hollow at the center. So a backbone is made up of 33 small bones which are known as vertebrae, and vertebrae can be compared to small beads which are hollow at the center. So the second point is the function of backbone. The function of backbone is to protect the spinal cord in our body. What is cartilage? Cartilage is present between the vertebrae. It enables the small bones to slide over each other, thus making it possible you to bend, twist and turn. So a cartilage is a substance which is present between the vertebrae, between the small bones, which enables them to slide over each other to make the movement easily. And cartilage also helps the spinal cord to bear body weight. Cartilage also cushions the vertebrae against sudden jerks you experience while traveling or doing other activities. So the function of cartilage is also to protect the vertebrae against sudden jerks you experience while traveling or doing any other activity. The third important part of the human skeleton are the ribs. The ribs are present in the chest region to protect the lungs. So the first important point is 12 pairs of thin, flat, curved bones in the chest region form the ribcage. There are total 12 pairs of thin, flat, curved bones which form the ribcage in the chest region to protect the lungs. They are joined to the backbone at the back side of our human body, and among 12 pairs of the ribs, 10 pairs are joined to the breastbone in the front, and the last 2 pairs which are left, which are not attached to the breastbone, are known as floating ribs. The last 2 pairs of the ribs which are not attached to the breastbone are known as floating ribs. The function of the ribcage is to protect the lungs and heart from the external shocks or injury. The fourth most important part of the human skeleton are the limbs, which are present in the arms and legs of the human body. In the first point, we will study about the bones present in the legs. So the bones present in the legs are known as hind limbs. The upper bone of the leg, which is present on the thigh, has a long bone which is known as femur. Now femur is the longest bone of the human body which is present in the thighs. The lower part of the leg has thin shin bone and a calf bone. The lower leg has 2 main types of bone which is known as shin bone and calf bone. The ankle and foot have many small bones. There are total 26 small bones in the ankle and foot of the leg. In the second point, we will study about the bones present in the arms. The bones of the arms are known as forelimbs. The upper arm has only one long bone which is known as humerus. Important. That is attached to the shoulder blade. The lower arm has 2 long bones. There are 27 small bones in the wrist and hands of our body. The next important part is the joints. So a joint is a place where 2 bones are attached to each other and they can move or bend. Even though the skeleton is hard and rigid, it can bend and move at places where 2 bones are joined together. So a joint is a place where 2 bones are joined together. Bones are held together at joints by stretchy bands which is known as ligaments. So 2 bones are connected to each other by a stretchy band which is known as ligament. And a muscle is attached to the bone by strong tissue which is known as tendons. Muscles are attached to bones by strong tissue which is known as tendons.